bags are blank canvases, a wearable medium for design and artwork. I started designing tote bags when I saw people wearing and using them everywhere in my daily life.
I just never really liked backpacks. I don't like the feeling of like having both straps on me. I think a tote is it's more convenient, it's lighter, it's great for carrying a lot of things or like little things depending on what you're doing that day. So I just think a tote is more adaptable than a backpack.
I think visually they're more attractive and they go with my outfits, I think, better. I feel like I have a couple like that are like warmer tones, cooler tones, and then like neutrals, so I can change them like depending on the outfit color I'm wearing.
It makes it feel lighter and like it's not like weighing me down at all. It's easy to just throw on when I'm walking out the door.
I'm definitely a big typography person. I feel like typography is just more neutral than imagery, and I would get tired of like different illustrations easily.
I think I always go for illustration probably.
I definitely lean more towards imagery.
My tote bags are often inspired by nostalgic summer memories. I start creating the design by sketching on my iPad. Then I refine the design on Illustrator with clean lines, an important step to prepare for the manufacture process. I continue editing until I reach a design I can envision on a tote bag. There are so many opportunities to be creative with materials for designs on tote bags, but my material of choice is vinyl. Using my trusty helper, the Silhouette Portrait 2, I cut my designs one layer at a time. Then I pick away the excess vinyl. With a heat press, I iron the designs onto the tote bags. After pressing the vinyl, I remove the plastic. Tote bags give the opportunity to express personal style and background, a decorated canvas.